everyone, my name is Julianne A. Munoz and I will be your math tutor for today's video. And now, we'll tackle about arithmetic sequence and arithmetic series. So, do we all know or hear about arithmetic sequence or arithmetic series? In this tutorial, we will explore what arithmetic sequence are and how to identify them and how to work with them. Also, we will derive into the concept of arithmetic series where we sum the terms of this sequence and learn how to apply formulas to solve practical problems. So now we will discuss about arithmetic sequence and arithmetic series. So what is arithmetic sequence? Arithmetic sequence is a sequence of number in which the difference between consecutive terms is constant. This difference is called the common difference. The general formula of arithmetic sequence is a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times d. So we have sample problem here. Let's read first. A theater has 20 rows of seats. The first row has 15 seats and each subsequent row has 2 more seats than the previous one. The question is, what is the total number of seats in the theater? To solve the arithmetic sequence, we need to find first the given. So we need to find a sub 1. A sub 1 is our first term. So the first term here is 15. And the a sub n is wala pa siya, so question mark. Next, the number of terms, which is term position. So the 20, because a theater has 20 rows of seats. E. And our D is common difference. We need to find the common difference here. So subsequent row has 2 more seats. So 2.
Go.
So we will use the general formula, which is a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times d, which is our general formula for arithmetic sequence.
Go.
Now we will substitute this. We need to since wala naman tayong a sub n, we need to copy and find the a sub 1, which is 15. Copy the plus and we find 20 minus 1. Kakapihin na natin itong 1. Common difference, 2. And now, let's see ano ang resulta nito na ginagawa natin.
Go!
So, copy na natin itong a sub n and then the 15. Let's copy and ang gagawin natin, bakit ito na 38? Because 20 minus 1, 19, times 2, 38. So, ipa-plus na natin silang dalawa. 15 plus 38 is 53. So, our a sub n is 53. So, what is arithmetic series? Arithmetic series is the sum of the terms of an arithmetic sequence. In other words, if you have an arithmetic sequence, the arithmetic series is what you get when you add up all the terms of. The general formula of arithmetic series is S sub n is equal to n over 2 times a sub 1 plus a sub n. The general formula of arithmetic series is S sub n is equal to n over 2 sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. We have sample problem here, which is find the sum of the first 15 terms of the arithmetic series, which is 2, 5, 8, 11, 14. So first, we'll find the given, which is a sub 1, our first term. So 2 is our first term. Our number of position here is 15 terms, or our a sub n, wala pa. Our common difference here is so let's I will show you how to find the common difference. So 2 minus 5 is 3. 5 minus 8, 3. 8 minus 11, 3. 11 minus 14, 3. Which is our common difference is 3. So, now, let's solve it. We will use the first formula, which is S sub 1 is equal to N over 2, this, and then 2 sub 1 plus N minus 1 multiplied by D. So, let's substitute it. So, i-change lang natin to, ang N in the 15. Same lang pa rin siya. I-copy lang natin 2. Substitute na natin to. 2. Copyhin na natin to 2. Ang ating sub 1 is 2. Plus, copy the symbol. And our N is 15 minus 1. The common difference is 3. And then now, let's solve it. So, 15. So, 2 times 2, 4. Plus 15 minus 1, 14. Times 3, 42. Four plus 40. So 4 plus 2 is 46. And let's divide this 15 over 2. 15 divided by 2 times 46, 345. So, if gusto natin i-sure na ang ating answer ay correct, is gagamitin natin ang formula na arithmetic sequence, which is A sub 1 is equal to A sub n is equal to A sub 1 plus n minus 1 times D. So, ganun pa rin. Substitute pa rin. So, sub 1 plus 15 minus 1, 3, is 2 plus 30. So, since substitute na rin natin, gagamitin natin yung first formula, which is S sub n. Dito natin nalagay. S sub n is equal to n over 2 A sub 1 plus A sub n. So, kasi dito S sub n 15 to A sub 1, which is 2. Our A sub n is 44. And if iyan natin to silang dalawa, if same lang, 2 plus 44. If 2 plus 44, 46. So, ganun pa rin. 15 divided by 2 times 46, 345. It's quiz time! Now, it's your turn to answer these following questions. That's right! The answer is C, 420. Got it correctly. The answer is C, 620.